Freddy! Say what's up. Video. Another day in paradise, homies. There's Sinbad over there. Yo, Sinbad. What's your status? You okay?
No.
Is there any steps? Oh, whoa. Woohoo! That's Sinbad right there, yo. Spider-Man. Now here we have Sinbad's brother. Relish? Oh yeah. Hang on tight, bro.
That's monkey right
You alright, bro? Now this is the ONOUN style, man. This is what we do for our sport. #1 sport back in the island. Where you from, homie?
From ONOUN.
From ONOUN. What village?
Jamaica.
Jamaica! This guy representing the Jamaican island, man. Woo!
Island.
How's that coconut, Freddy?
It's good. Huh?
It's good. Alright, y'all. If you guys wanna try some coconut, just call
691-930.
1671-734 Sinbad. He's all the way up there now, y'all.
Yeah, Mickey. I like it.
And this here is the island of Guam.
We've been on Guam long
Oh,
time.
Woo.
Hey, puto.
This is Guam right here. And this is the beautiful beach of Guam.